What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis here, CEO of wolvesacademy.com, the Wolf of Marketing. And you've probably gotten to this point because you've been maybe saving up a little bit of money, or maybe you're ready to reinvest your profits back into your business, or maybe you just work a job and you work a pretty good job and you just have the money to spend on paid advertisement, but you don't know where to spend it. So that's basically what we're going to be covering in this video. Basically, the top 10 paid advertisement. I'm not even gonna lie and say the top 10, right? These are just 10 that I would recommend you looking into. But basically 10 website traffic, paid advertisement traffic methods that you could be using for your affiliate marketing business. Now, with that being said, before we get into that, if you guys wanna know my number one recommendation to make money online with affiliate marketing, click the tutorials, make money online tutorials. Go ahead and join the fam by smashing boom, we're behind the laptop. So we see 10 paid traffic methods for affiliate marketing. So the first one that we're going to go ahead and cover is Google AdWords. Now they call it Google Ads. So we could just even say Google Ads because they switched up the name. But basically Google Ads is two forms of advertisement. Number one is when you guys are searching SEO, right? Google SEO. If you guys type in a keyword like how to lose weight, basically what's going to go ahead and happen is you are going to see sponsored posts at the bottom, and then at the very top and at the very bottom here. So basically you're paying for these specific keywords, and every time somebody actually clicks your link, you're going to go ahead and get charged for that specific click. It's pretty quality traffic because people are searching for the specific thing. So if somebody types in how to lose weight and then you put an ad in front of them teaching them how to lose weight, chances are they're looking for the answer to that problem. Not necessarily mean they're willing to pay for it, but if they are, boom, you just got high quality targeted traffic in front of your actual offer. That's one method within one. The second one within Google Ads is because Google owns YouTube, their video form in the Google Ads is basically YouTube advertising. If I type in how to lose weight here and I type in maybe, I don't know if it's gonna go and actually show up. We'll see.
I have a question for you. Do you know how old you are? Sure,
Yes, I know how old I am with this shin. But basically, that is an example of an ad. So that's the YouTube ad, and that's basically the video form of Google Ads, right? So basically, there's multiple ways you can do YouTube ads, and there's multiple placement areas. The most common one is basically interruption marketing, YouTube SEO and interruption marketing. So basically, just how there's keywords on Google, there can also be keywords on YouTube. So if I type in how to lose weight, they can be buying that keyword and actually display a video that shows something like that on YouTube. Number two, they can just interrupt me during a video or while I'm actually watching a video or right before I watch one. Now, these people are targeting me with Mind Valley because of my previous past like people who look like, right? So because I'm into entrepreneurship and mindset and stuff like that, Mind Valley's targeting me. However, they would be doing a terrible job targeting me if they were just trying to target this video. It makes no sense. It has nothing to do with like losing weight. It's talking about mindset and stuff like that. The second one is basically Bing ads. So what's the main two differences between Bing ads and Google ads? They look pretty similar. If I type in how to lose weight, you're going to go ahead and basically have the sponsored post right here, ad at the top. And then at the bottom, you should have ads as well. Okay, you don't have ads. Or yeah, you do, ads at the bottom. So guys, what is the difference between Google and Bing? The major difference is that Bing is cheaper. But the reason why they're cheaper is reason number two is because they have less people on their platform. So because they have less people on their platform, they have less data. They don't have the traffic is a little bit slower, and the audience is actually a little bit older as well. So you're going to be paying less for this actual traffic method. But with that being said, if you notice here, we have 2.9 million results if I type in how to lose weight on Bing, and if I type in how to lose weight on Google, we have 490 million results. You guys do the math here, right? Way less traffic, way more traffic. Cool. So, but still quality traffic because people are actually searching for the solution that your product is offering. Next is Facebook Ads Manager. So basically, Facebook Ads Manager, I could go to business.facebook.com. You just go to business.facebook.com. You guys create an ads manager. But basically, the two forms of advertisement with Facebook, because Facebook owns Instagram as well, is you're going to be able to do sponsored posts on Instagram as well. So basically, you have the newsfeed of Facebook. Now, there's different placement areas. I'm not going to talk about placement areas, but basically, there's sponsored posts on Facebook ads, and there's sponsored posts on Instagram. The main two differences between Instagram and Facebook is that Instagram is capped out at a 60-second video. Facebook, you can have a longer form video. But one of the biggest differences is that the age demographic is a lot younger on Instagram in comparison to Facebook. So if you're targeting older people, you might want to target people like on Facebook or Bing, so on and so forth. So before you guys pick an advertisement platform to actually reinvest your money back into, you want to understand your audience and where they're hanging out. So I'm not going to be advertising on TikTok to 60-year-old women. Right? That's a younger demographic of people. But on Facebook, 60-year-old women, that'll definitely be a really good platform. Facebook is where all the grannies, right? My nana's always on here. So that's an example. But basically, Facebook Ads Manager, you can do Facebook ads, Instagram ads. And then influencer ads. What are influencer ads? Influencer ads is exactly what it sounds like. Basically having an influencer who has a following to endorse your product. Now, the smart thing to do is to have influencers, if you're doing affiliate marketing, to actually promote your products who have built a following around that specific niche. So if I'm selling a weight loss affiliate product, then I can find influencers, let's just say on Instagram, who create content around weight loss, like their weight loss journey content. Or on YouTube, I can go ahead and maybe have somebody review my product, right? If it's not too weird of a product or whatever, you can have them actually review your product and then drive their audience, drive their eyeballs, drive the attention of their audience who know, likes, and trust them to your offer, right? So YouTube reviews, Facebook fan pages do have huge followings, Instagram pages do have huge followings, so on and so forth. You guys get the point. You're basically leveraging somebody else's following and then paying them to redirect their attention to your affiliate offers. Number 5 is Udemy ads. Basically, Udemy ads is people who have, you go to udemy.com. This is more so for the make money online niche. They also have weight loss as well. But basically, people who have built a huge email list, and they're going to go ahead and send an email broadcast out to a list of their subscribers, and the link that is embedded within the email is going to be your affiliate link. Now, Udemy does not allow you to direct link, nor do majority of these affiliate offers. So you're most likely going to have either two things, either a pre-sale page, or you're going to have some sort of lead magnet with a back-end sales process on the back end of your funnel. I'm not going to go into great detail about all that stuff because it's about traffic, but basically you're going to be sending people to your squeeze page from somebody else's email list. So one of the benefits of Udemy is obviously if you're getting sent from somebody's email list, that means these people have already opted into an email list before. So chances are they're willing to actually put like their email into somewhere. So you're gonna have higher conversion rates with like solo ads. And one of the other benefits of solo ads is it's pretty easy. It's literally as easy as buying the traffic and then waiting for the traffic to come to your funnel. And then Outbrain Amplify. I'm just gonna do both these, Outbrain Amplify and buy sell ads. So these are basically two forms of native ads. What are native ads? Native ads are basically, if I was to go to like how to lose weight, I'm gonna go to like see if there's like a big website here. So I'm gonna see Healthline should probably have native ads. We're gonna go ahead and scroll down to the bottom here. So whenever you go on a blog post, so these are read more. So that ad right here, they're also called display ads or banner ads, right? To show you guys what those actually look like, I'll just go to Google. So native ads are basically like the bottom of a blog post, or if you look at here, like the banner post, the banner ads. This is what they usually look like. These ads right here that looks like a blog, there's usually a thumbnail, a headline, and then like some text under. When you click those, you're being sent to some sort of advertisement. So just for time's sake, not gonna go into crazy, but basically two places. If you wanna learn more about native ads, literally go on YouTube and type in what is native ads, or Google, and they'll explain to you guys what that is. But basically, two forms of ad networks where you guys can actually purchase native ads on websites that are within a specific niche would be outbrain.com and buysell-ads.com. And then last but not least, or not last but not least, we also have Snapchat. Now Snapchat is going to have a younger demographic, a younger crowd, and they're going to be cheaper because they're competing with people like Facebook or Instagram. And as a company, they have less people, like less viewers or less people, and they're competing with less advertisers. So to get the competition, you're usually going to go ahead and get cheaper ads on something like a Snapchat. Now, with that being said, to each his own. Some people may think Snapchat is amazing, some people not. But through my what I've been told, and this isn't, again, this is what I've been told, so this isn't factual, this is theory. But what I've been told is Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube are better, have given better results than something like a Snapchat. And then one thing I don't like about Snapchat is that it's like you literally have to start with $50 a day for an ad set. Now, to explain what an ad set is, guys, that's basically like your audience. So like your audience and when you're at your audience and where you're displaying your ads is an ad set. So the location where you're displaying it and the people you're displaying it in front of. But you literally, for one ad set, you have to spend $50. So this is a little bit more of a higher budget. But the cool thing about having a higher budget is that you're not competing with as many people. So there's some pluses and negatives. And next is LinkedIn ads. And basically LinkedIn ads is more so for like business people. So if you're promoting a product that maybe, let's just say it's like business loans and it's like an affiliate product, this would be a good platform to actually promote that type of product on, because these are business owners or aspiring business people or so on and so forth. You have an older, more mature, business savvy type people who you're reaching, right? I'm not going to be advertising business loans on like a TikTok or a Snapchat, right? I'd be advertising business loans on like a LinkedIn. And last but not least, and guys, one thing I forgot to mention to you guys is these aren't in any particular order. These are just 10 that I found that I wanted to share with you guys. Is Twitter ads, right? So Twitter ads is basically exactly what it sounds like. As you're scrolling and you're looking at tweets, there's going to be ads displayed on the actual platform. And then basically you create an account and you decide to actually advertise on their platform. Now the cool thing about Twitter is you're basically getting in front of like a younger crowd. So if you want to get in front of like more so like a younger crowd, Twitter's pretty cool. But I mean, at the end of the day, I don't have too much experience with Twitter, but I know people getting results with it. So at the end of the day, guys, what I would highly recommend is not trying all of these, but do research on who your target audience is, right? What social media platforms they are as far as their demographic. Understand what your actual product is and what it is you are promoting. And then where are they probably hanging out, right? Use logic here. That's what it comes to being a marketer, right? Doing market research. After you do that market research, what platform is the ideal platform that they're going to be hanging out? Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and master, right? And then also ask your ending goals, right? Do I want to create video ads? Okay, I might want to do YouTube. If I don't want to and I just want to use images, okay, Facebook might be the one. If I don't want to use any of that stuff, then if I don't want to have access to a thumbnail and I just want to be really good at headlines, then you might do Google or Bing ads. But if you're like, okay, I want thumbnails, I don't want to have to deal with the rules and regulations of like Facebook and all that stuff, then you might want to do native ads. There's pluses and negatives of each one. I gave you guys a little bit when it comes to that within this video, but at the end of the day, pick one, run with it, and stay consistent. At the end of the day, the first go around, you're most likely gonna fail, but the way you succeed at anything is try, fail, learn, and try again. So hopefully you guys gain value from this video. If you wanna know my #1 recommendation to make money online in affiliate marketing, go ahead and click. Go ahead and get more value-based content. Basically kind of connect with me on a personal level. Instagram at Eric Ellis Jr. Thank you so much. Click the link down below, take action, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Your boy, Eric Ellis Jr., the Wolf of Marketing, checking